It's an exciting day. Just got the new 2025 Honda Transalp 750. Haven't got it kitted out yet. The plan today is to go to the dealership and pick up a number of parts that I ordered with the bike. We are back from the dealership and I've got most of the parts that I've ordered. Let's get to work. Well, that about does it. After 4 hours of wrenching, we are ready to go. I'm tired, I'm ready for some food, and probably a nap.